Hi guys, it's Jessie here. I am back with my weekly grocery haul. I went to Walmart and Aldi. I did shopping in store. I gave myself a budget of $130 and I came in just under that at $127. My initial goal was to go in and spend about $110 and have a little bit extra in case we need anything throughout the week, but when I went into Walmart I found a few little extra goodies as happens, which is the reason I most of the time shop online, but that's okay. We're still under budget, so that's all good. So let's go ahead and get started. All the Aldi stuff is on this side of the table. Walmart stuff is over there. I did pick up a few extra things because my son has a canned food drive at school, and I wanted to donate to that, so that brought the bill up a little bit, but I'll show you guys that as we go. Let's get started. I got 2 loaves of white bread. I've got Robbie here who's going to put stuff away as I go, but he's going to do it quietly.
I'll do it as quietly as I rock.
Okay. So we got some Mexican style cheese. We are going to have tacos one night this week. To go with those tacos, we got some flour tortillas. We also got some crunchy taco shells. So one of the things for the canned food drive was some of these ramen noodles. Some of these are for here at home. Some of them will be donated. I've got 2 chicken, a beef, and a shrimp flavor. Alright, also for the canned food drive, I picked up a bunch of cans of vegetables. So I've got some cream corn, some green beans, some regular corn, and some sweet peas. So those are all going to go to the school. Alright, so I got some Italian sausage that is for a penne pasta dish. I got a whole chicken, which we're going to cook in the air fryer. Got a couple of things of tomato sauce because we're going to make some stuffed peppers, and that is what I use for that. I also bought the peppers, so I got 3 of the multicolored peppers and 3 green peppers, and I'm going to stuff all of those with ground beef and rice and deliciousness. I picked up a head of lettuce, that's for the tacos. Also to go with the tacos, I've got some queso and some salsa. For sandwiches this week, I got my husband some Munster cheese. Also picked up a dozen eggs. These are for the tacos as well, the little grape tomatoes. I got some paper plates. Penne is for that pasta dish. I got a couple of things of wild rice to go with that chicken. I got a gallon of milk, which when my son opened the car door, it fell onto the ground, which has happened to me more times than I can count. But it didn't break, so at least there's that. There was also a bottle of tea that got broken, so I'll show you guys that in a little bit. I got, what else here is from Aldi? Oh, the restaurant-style tortilla chips are from Aldi.
And that's it.
And I believe that's everything. Everything else
from Aldi? I think we did.
No. Everything else here came from Walmart. So I picked up 2 bottles of coffee creamer for my husband. I also picked up this huge thing of our favorite Southern Comfort eggnog. I got some Italian style cheese for that pasta dish. Some cheesy Mexican rice. I got that to serve with this box of chicken enchiladas. I've never had the Stouffer's chicken enchiladas, but hoping they're going to be good. Fingers crossed. There's got a jalapeno cream sauce in there. Yummy. I got this from the discount rack. Just some chocolate glazed donuts. We needed some antacid, so I picked that up. Also, I just did show the rice. I got a couple of cans of the Dinty Moore beef stew. That would make a super easy meal one night. I got a bottle of the A&W cream soda and a bottle of Red Pop, which is one of my all-time favorites from when I was a kid. Some turkey breast, that's for the sandwiches. Cheese balls. Austin requested those. I saw these and could not leave them in the store. These are the holiday dipped fudge mint cookies. The Alfredo sauce is for that pasta dish. I also decided to try this out. This is the York Peppermint Hot Chocolate. A great big bag of Fruity Pebbles.
My idea.
And lastly, I got the 3 bottles of tea. This is the one that fell. We lost some, but the rest of it's still good. So that is everything. like I said, just under $130, so I did stick to my budget. Although if we need anything else throughout the week, I'll be over budget. But did the best I could, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! You wanna say goodbye?
Yeah, also, if you want me in more videos, please subscribe and like. That's the deal. Also, goodbye.